Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another naked chart trading, binary option trading, price action trading without indicator video. We're going to show you how to trade those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook without indicators. This concept, this ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So let me switch off here the indicator. So yes, okay, let's see what's going on here. We have here an uptrend. Let me draw some lines here. Yes, so we have here this kind of area which is an uptrend. You see how nice this works out here. So I will do a parallel. So we have the trend channel. The trend channel is here. That is the trend channel. You see how nice it's fitting. And now it looks like they are getting here out of this trend channel. So, okay, I will do a call from this level because we got a rejection from the lower part of this ascending trend line here. I did a call because I saw the rejection here at the purchase time, at the last second of the purchase time, and I'm sure that price will reject from it and go up because we have here still an uptrend. Yes, also if the trend is stalling here, it's finishing, it means not that price will immediately go down. Yes, and that's the reason why I did a call. So, and this is a hammer, a bearish hammer. Yes, okay, it was a bearish hammer. So I will, okay, we closed below the 50% level of the previous huge candle. That is this one here. We closed below this 50% here, that is this high. Let me show you this with the line. And this is a sign for me that price, that this area here, the 50% of this huge candle will act as resistance level. Yes, this candle closed below this level. And that showed me that price will most probably continue to going down because this 50% level is now acting as a resistance. And you will see how price will come back in the last few seconds of the expiration time. Yes, because of this 50% level of huge candles. Yes, I have explained this also often in my live trading videos. Yes, and you can use this kind of 50% level of the huge candle almost often to do your trades. Yes, you see it's coming down. Yes, so let me see. And now this one is showing me, yes, that we get here a fake breakout, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call. The fake breakout of this level. Yes. So let's see. And you see price is going up, and we stay still in this kind of trend channel because this candle here is showing we have here a strong level. Yes, price was not able to break through this, and we are here in this trend channel, and that means that price will reverse from this level and going up. So let's see what's happening here. Yes, I'm expecting a fake breakout. That means that price should go up further and continue to going up. So let's see what's happening here. Yeah, I'm expecting that price will go up. Okay, it was a doji, but the entry point was really good. So, so I will do another call now because I'm sure that price will go up from this level because it had already happening before this. Yes, and so I'm expecting now that price will go up and doing this fake breakout. I have explained this also in the ebook. Yes, sometimes it takes more than one candle, and if you get a doji, try at least to get the best possible entry point, yes, above or below the real body of the shadow, not of the shadow, of the doji, because at the end you will get mostly 2-3 candles after a fake breakout into. But if you get this kind of scenario here, you see, then you know, okay, it's a morning star, only not this kind of morning star which you are used to, this kind of morning star which I have explained in my ebook. I have explained exactly this kind of morning stars, and also with 3 candles, 5 candles, and so on. Yes, you have only to understand that if this candle here doesn't unfold like you expect, this would expect that price would go down further, at least touching this trend line. If it doesn't happen, then you know you have here the process of elimination, the method of elimination, and then you trade obviously in the opposite direction. So okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.